I'm Adriana, and this is Cooking with Adriana. Welcome back. Today we'll be making holiday thumbprint cookies. With the holidays right around the corner, it's never too late to plan ahead. This easy holiday recipe will be fun to make with the entire family. For today's recipe, you will need the following ingredients: 1 can of refrigerated sugar cookie dough, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 pouch of red or green or both of the decorating cookie icing. As always, adult supervision is required. Okay, so let's begin. First, ask an adult to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. You're going to line the baking sheet with parchment paper. In a large bowl, you're going to break up the cookie dough. You're going to add the flour and mix with a spoon or your hands until well blended. Shape dough into 1-inch balls. Place approximately 2 inches apart on the baking sheet. And you're going to want to bake it for about 10 to 13 minutes or until the edges are set. Remove from the baking sheet to the cooling rack. Immediately make a 1-inch wide indentation in the center of each cookie. Cool completely about 30 minutes. Now you're going to pipe red or green decorating cookie icing into the center of each cookie. You can opt to do some in the red or some in the green cookie icing. And here we have the finished product, folks. Holiday thumbprint cookies. Thank you for joining me today with Cooking with Adriana. Until our next cooking adventure, stay connected, stay active, and stay engaged. Happy holidays!